we're doing a staycation for the 4th of July weekend. So we checked into the hotel, which is really sweet. We're staying at the Courtyard by Marriott, which was built upon the location of the old St. Mary's Hospital, which took care of many of our patients and my own family. So they even preserved some of the rock that was part of the old hospital, which I think is really cool of them, because it costs more for them to restore the rocks than to just like rebuild it. And we're on the top floor, which is the 4th floor, which is the perfect view of the state capitol and the fireworks. So now Jack got dropped off at our office where he likes to work out in the sunshine, and I'm going to hot yoga, and I'll see you when I get back. That was an awesome yoga class by Darcy Smith, the one and only, at the best yoga studio I've ever been to. Do you hear that sound? Do you hear it? Now it's not going to do it because y'all are listening. Now, I'm thinking, since Jack is working out, I am going to go to the hotel and just film how gorgeous it is, because, well, maybe I should go pick up Jack. Jack does not like when I vlog and stuff, and I told him I wouldn't do it this 4th of July, but I can't not advertise for this hotel because it's so nice. Let's go there. We do live in the most amazing country in the world. Oh, look how pretty our Capitol is. I'll show you. And you see the Capitol building right there. It's that big dome. Can't miss it. Can't miss it. Oh, hidden by the trees. There it is again. It was fashioned after the Capitol in DC. Obviously. And this is our hotel. It's absolutely gorgeous. So our room is right there, so it's facing the fireworks, which is super cool, so that we can see the fireworks from our room, so we don't have to be outside with the mosquitoes, which I like. Here we go. So they have a nice parking garage. So this was the old St. Mary's Hospital. This is built on the old St. Mary's location. Okay, let's charge it up. Oh, here we go. So this is it. So this is where the fireworks will be tonight. And they're gonna have the public be able to be in this barbecue area. So they're getting the barbecue ready down there. So this is where the old doctor's parking lot used to be, and Starbucks across the street. That is Highway 50 right there. It's a beautiful day. Bathroom. How pretty the bathrooms are. Come on, let's go pick up Jack. Tonight the fireworks are amazing, so cannot wait to look at the fireworks. They're my favorite. Hot yoga has many benefits, and I can't quite remember, but when you do exercise in hot weather, it's actually better for your body. I have a pass for HotWorks. It's HOTWORX, and it's a place mainly down in Florida, because when we go down to Florida, I like to still do hot yoga. And my husband's family's in Florida, so when we go down there, I attend HotWorks. And HotWorks is just an individual. It's like a little sauna room. You can have a couple friends in there with you, and it's a video that you play for your yoga practice. And they have spinning, they have different exercises, they have HIIT workouts, but it's all in the heat. It's like a sauna room, just private. When I go to St. Louis, I go to Summit Hot Yoga, SUMITT. I think it's SUMITT. That's a really good place too. I know now why my eyes are all red when I do hot yoga. It's the sweat that dripped into my eye. I should do a vlog after my boards are done, so I won't see you guys until after September. I want to pass my board exam. I've been practiced 21 years, and I want to continue to be board certified in obstetrics gynecology, but now I'm gynecology office practice because I quit doing deliveries after 20 years. So I want to maintain my board certification, and every 6 years we have to take a in-person exam, and that's where you actually have you're fingerprinted to make sure you're the right person. They take all your belongings. You can't even wear a jacket, and they're put in a locker, and then it's a timed test. So that's September 18th. So you won't see me after this vlog. I thank you for you guys praying. I do appreciate it. It's Saturday, September 18th. I think it starts at like 8 o'clock in the morning, and I think it goes for 3.5 hours. So I do appreciate your prayers for that. And but anyway, I should do a vlog of my journey with yoga, because I've done hot yoga now every single day except for 1 day a week. So I do it 6 days a week, and I've done it now, I think it's 4 weeks in a row. And I hit like a plateau this past week where I was just hurting, and my body just wasn't doing it right, and now I'm strong again. So it must have been like our own lives, like when we push through something challenging, we make it through and we're stronger. But yoga has so many applications to life. I absolutely love it. It's just about showing up to your mat every day. It doesn't mean about being flexible. It doesn't mean about being pretty. It doesn't mean about having beautiful form. It's just breath work. So you teach yourself breath work, and you're breathing the entire practice. This road's really bumpy. getting chased by Godzilla, I just like go ahead and I just let him pick me up and eat me. Like, just get it over with already. Why would I want to hide? Just like when there was a movie, I forget which one it was, and there was a kraken. I'm like, I would just jump in the kraken's mouth. Why would I even bother running and being all hysterical, knowing that I'm going to die anyway? Just get it over with. I'm going to jump in the mouth of the kraken. Okay, here we go. Let's go pick up Jack. Hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will end with the fireworks. Hopefully I can get some good video of that from our bedroom window at the hotel. So if you're ever in Jefferson City, Missouri, I don't know why you'd ever want to come here. Well, we do have the state capitol, so you might like to come and visit and tour the capitol. And we do have a lot. We have Westminster, where Churchill gave the famous speech. That's in Fulton, Missouri. That's very close by our house. Anyway, stay at the Courtyard by Marriott. It's beautiful. Let me see where my Jackie is. See you in September.
Why are you bothering her?
Only just about 15 minutes. I remember it wasn't very long. Those are supposed to be people's houses. Oh no, there's more. I think this is the best view of fireworks I've ever seen my whole life. Oh yeah, this gotta be the finale. It's always crazy. It's so much fun. I love this. What's that little like white thing that just came down? Wow. Yeah, you're right. They're definitely firing them off from the river. Look down below. You can see the river now because we're up so high. It makes me cry. Wow. That's amazing.
Well, how's it? There's some over there.
People are brave to shoot off fireworks. I'm too afraid to even hold those sparklers.
They're stirring like they're getting going. Wanna go?
Yeah. Well, that's a good idea before the parking lot gets full.